Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. So I'll be showing you guys the best places you must cover when in Jaipur, and I'm doing it on my motorcycle. So guys, I'm here early morning at Hawa Mahal and it looks so beautiful. This 5-story palace was built in 1799, which features 953 windows called as jharokhas that keep it naturally cool. When the early morning sun rays fall on it, it glows and it's really very beautiful. Even at the night, it's glowing with lights, so you must visit it. It was built so royal women could observe the street festivals without being seen by the public. Look here, the peacock. So I am inside Jaigarh Fort now. The entry costs you 170 including the two-wheeler parking. Jaigarh Fort is one of India's strongest fort, built in 1726 by Maharaja Jai Singh II. This fort was designed mainly to protect the Amber Fort and the royal treasury.
देखो आप, विश्व की सबसे बड़ी तोप है जेवान। सवाई जयसिंह जी ने 1720 में बैरिल बनाई। बनाने के बाद में इसको टेस्टिंग के लिए एक बार चलाए। 100 केजी गनपुर आयरन, 50 किलो की बोल, दोनों चीज़ आगे से लगाई। पीछे की साइड में हुल बना, 20 फुट लंबी बत्ती लगा के फायर किया। रेंज पाई 35 किलोमीटर 22 मील। जहाँ पे गोला गिरा वहाँ पे गोला बारूद नाम से तालाब बना। पशु पक्षी आदमी नष्ट हुए। कॉकरोच चाकसू गोली मार प्लेग बना। पीछे की साइड में जो टैंक बना उसमें चलाने वाला जंपिंग लगा के कूद गया, लेकिन वो एक्सपायर हो गया। अच्छा। ये अष्ट मेटल की बनी हुई है, लंबाई 20 फुट है, गोला 8 फीट 7.5 इंच, वजन 50 टन, केवल बैरिल।
Unlike many forts in Rajasthan, Jaigarh was never captured or defeated. Strong walls, natural hilltop defense and clever design made it almost impossible to conquer. So the speciality about this fort is that you will be able to see one of the biggest cannon of Asia. Jaigarh Fort is connected to Amer Fort through a secret underground tunnel, and this passage was built so the royal family could escape safely during the attacks. There are a couple of things that you can do inside the Jaigarh Fort, and especially the cannon is a must visit place, and you will be walking around some nice fortification which is still intact and very well maintained. It's a private property. For a long time, people believed Jaigarh Fort hid a huge treasure buried under its grounds. In 1977, Prime Minister Indira Gandhi even ordered a secret search here, though no treasure was ever found. While Amer Fort was the royal palace, Jaigarh was the military headquarters. Its design is rugged and practical, built purely for defense and weapon manufacturing. The fort has an impressive wall of 3 kilometers, offering wide viewpoints of Jaipur and the Aravalli ranges. Now I am heading towards Nahargarh Fort, which is sitting high on the Aravalli Hills. Built in 1734, this fort was meant as a retreat for the royal family. Legend says the fort is haunted by the spirit of Nahar Singh, a Rathore prince, and that's how the fort got its name. The entry to the fort costs you 52 rupees, but if you want to visit the glass museum, or it is also called as Sheesh Mahal, which is not a museum but a glass palace, if you visit, then it costs you 500 rupees for an Indian and 700 for a foreigner tourist. And it's really amazing, although you are not allowed to take any photos and videos, but you will be able to walk on the glass and it's pretty beautiful.
I sing you Rajasthani song, Tajishka.
Dhanyavad.
हरी शरारत सब जानू मैं चोली हर सलेवन गंगा जी में नदी हर हिबड़ा में जागे भोरनी रे चंदा में धारी जागती वाय दामन रे बावती खुशी रे झूम मार लिया बे तूने ये सगे लगेला अब खिंच को ले मारे मनीरी
This part is called as Madhavendra Bhavan, a palace built by Maharaj Savai Madho Singh for his 9 queens, where each queen had her own identical suite. These suites are connected by hidden mage-like corridors that allowed the king to visit any queen discreetly. Many of the walls are still adorned with delicate golden leaf paintings and richly colored frescoes, made from natural pigments that have survived for more than 200 years. The interior showcases a stunning Indo-European fusion blending traditional Rajput frescoes with European arches, Italian-style plasterwork and elegant floral motifs. Corridors with these windows for the ladies to look outside, any shows or anything that used to happen. View of the entire Jaipur city from Nahargarh Fort. Today, it's famous for its breathtaking sunset views over Jaipur, making it one of the most scenic spots in the city. Now I am going towards Galtaji Temple and you can see what a view it has. There is a gate here, a nice old architecture and a new temple. This place is home to hundreds of monkeys, which is why it's also called as the Monkey Temple. After riding through some curvy roads, I have arrived at Galtaji Temple, and this is the same place in Bollywood movie in Rang De Basanti where Sharman Joshi was thrown into the water. You won't be able to find it in most recommended places, but this is one of the hidden gem in Jaipur, so you must visit it. Watching the monkeys play around the temple is truly a unique experience. It's a sacred Hindu pilgrimage site built in the 18th century, surrounded by natural hills and freshwater springs. So guys, this is the traditional food from Rajasthan called as dal bati churma, which I am going to try now. And this is something which you must try in a local authentic restaurant when in Jaipur. And that's a wrap up for Jaipur with a bit of history, food and a lot of beautiful views. But the journey is not yet over. Next I will be riding to some beautiful ancient temples in Sikar. So stick around, hit subscribe and join me on the next leg of this road trip. Thanks for watching. If you guys like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.